Get ready for the next battle.
Yung panahon kasi niya, kaya ngayon na medyo...
Shohan.
Tapos ngayon, wala na eh. Kailan malakas na eh. Hindi kasi nila naman talaga
Extra
eh.
normal.
Parang dati talaga, nabasa ko na rin yung acting overload. Wala pa rin. Uy, magkano pala ito?
Cock block.
Yung isa pa lang. Fuck that. Bukas na lang. Bukas ba hindi?
Ganda ng game at sa camera.
Hindi na.
Perfecto.
Mystical way na. I'm sorry. You lose.
Nasa ano ka na? OOTK ka na?
Eugene, ikaw umawak nito. Di ba kayo maglalaban?
Wala ba kayong ano?
Tapos wala pala. Ay, ganyan na ba? Ganyan na pala. Go. Move. Don't move me.
Wala talagang ano? Nakawak niya.
Wala ko stand. Masira. Yung kapatid.
Effect of Herald of Perfection. Adding Gungir.
It's Herald of
Fox you.
Rainbow Light.
Hey, Harold of Rainbow Light.
Dark hole for you. The opponent just summon all these.
Activating Preparation of Rites.
Nanay, namangka na ka kayo.
Adding Bryona.
Okay.
Mangka no?
You lose.
Perfect hand by
Then,
itself.
You've been weakened by the...
Activating Kaleido. Attacking with Unicorn. Attacking with Senju of Thousand Hands.
3-5 lahat.
Totally 3-5.
Ganyan din ako nung umpisa eh. Kaso bigla na balik na trip. Kasi hindi ko malaman talaga. Ano yan sa bottom left?
Discard Bryona. Wala lang.
Ako din sa bottom left kanina. Kaso grabe naman yung mga trap mo. Lahat, fire link.
Adding Decisive Armor. Oh my god.
Oh, it's true.
It's real.
Yung top deck Dark Hole, you win. There is it.
Draw face. Oh my god.
Steel chair? Steel chair? Only out? Concede? Game 2? Pwede rin no? Hindi na ako...
Normal summon. Apple Layo.
Meow.
Meow.
Spirit Beast plus 5 attack defense.
Oh.
Turn.
Ooh.
Oh, 2-3.
Oh, it's a 2-3. OMG.
Ano yung mga lumalaban eh, big monster. I'm sorry.
By the effect of Unicorn, the opponent is unable to special summon.
He can.
monster.
He can, but
He can, but no effect. No effect for you.
Motherfucker.
Dumi.
This one?
Damage step.
Attack this?
Unicorn.
What's that? 2-3?
2-3.
Damage step.
Damage step.
I see.
Taking 1,000 damage.
Minus 1,000. Fuck you.
The lion is not.
Concede.
Oh, concede.
Fastest game ever.
Fastest game ever. 3 minutes. 4 minutes flat.
Okay, stop.
Stop.
Round 2.
Game 2. Finals. Black Buddha versus Filipino Man. Go. Oh, enter. Draw face. Filipino Man.
Filipino man?
Oh.
The enemy. It's the airplane. Yeah. Oh. Nananakit ba yun?
Wala na.
Attack!
Hindi, di ba?
Attack! Hindi, akala ko kasi bawal sabihin.
Hindi, ano ba tanong mo?
What the fuck?
Kung ano. Hindi.
Oh,
Kung pwede maniit, di ba? Pwede.
Hindi ko galing yun.
I'm sorry. It's the game.
Oh, judgment.
It's the
No.
SS. SS.
Bawal ba?
Bawal
Wala.
ba?
Hindi naman siya nasama.
go.
Oh.
The fucker. The fucker. It's not for
Oh, duality. Nice.
hands up.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Extra normal.
Oh, pero hindi siya.
Activate effect. This fucking bitch.
Fucking bitch.
Uy, pag wala, bawal ah.
Anong bawal?
Pag
Attacking.
Wala siyang ano, may extra naman. Meron.
Attacking.
2-1.
2-1. Taking.
Tayo na ako. 4K na lang ako.
Done. Oh.
Draw.
Ryo is real.
Okay, round 2.
Oh, shit.
And he has so many of that in his hand.
Oh, attacking Ryo. He's taking 300.
Destroy this bitch.
Destroy the Ryo. Bitch. Ay.
Bitch.
Ice hand. SS during battle phase.
Lagi nabibela sa mga tanong.
Ice hand down. Taking 1,200
Best 200.
pesos.
Oh, the preparation is
The preps.
Preparation.
The preps.
Adding
The
Bryona.
disco.
Discard. Activate effect. No chain. No chain.
No chain.
Adding Valkyrios. No chain. No chain.
No chain. Putang ina mo.
Grabe naman yun. May Baylor siya sa hand.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Nagkataon yun.
Dalawang fire hand
Ang
pa
lupit.
sa Sambela.
More
Everyone-
trading.
everyone.
The trading. Discarding Valkyrios. Drawing 2.
Okay, and he draws ice hand.
He draws another ice hand and another fire hand.
That's
Uta, tatlong set pala. Ay, dalawang set pala, no? Shit! Tig-tatlo, no? It's an ice hand deck.
crowded.
It's a nice one.
Hindi yan neklot, gago. Ice fire hand deck yan.
Fire nice deck.
Ayun na. Real na real. Black Buddha is thinking.
You know why? Because kids can...
You know why? Because it's cleaner here. In Tagalog.
Oh,
Mas malays dito.
Oh.
malay.
Unicorn. Mas
Just
ma...
slang.
Mas malanes dito.
Mas malays dito. You know the American
The American slang.
guy.
Oh, adding, up, enter, draw face. Of Black Buddha.
You've
Why
been,
summon?
you've been stabbed. You've been stabbed.
I've been stuck.
You've been stacked, bitch.
Okay, this is real.
Di-destroy muna siya.
Yes.
Destroy muna bago
I
SS.
thank you.
Separate
Okay.
chain, so
Oo nga, separate chain yun, boy.
And its damage is steep.
It's real.
Saan pa OT doon? Sa winning side?
some of the
Effect?
the
What's that?
Winning side.
Oh,
Body.
What? Special summon?
Special summon.
Oo nga pala, jump scene. The jump scene from it.
oh, the judgment.
Okay.
Judgment. Oh. No chain? No
Okay.
chain.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, he ended his turn with only that face-up 100 attack. Tema.
Okay, sige. Hindi pala siya, ano. It's not a tame. It's a two-tamer.
It's two
With
Tema.
no spirit beast.
Where's the pets? We need the pets.
There's no pets.
What the pit?
No hands. OMG.
mali.
Oh, activating
Nothing.
Exo Mirror. No chain? No chain. Boom. Decisive armor.
That's I
So,
think.
special summon.
1,000.
Chain.
Ooh,
Fire lake.
combination.
And nothing will go.
The effect of
Nothing.
combination
Because
destroys
the two fire
up
hand
to
is already in
2
the graveyard.
or more equal to the
And the chain is...
spirit beast monsters he controls. The Black Buddha is on the advantage. Bakit?
Because it's black.
Bigla nagtagal.
Because you're black.
And you're a Buddha.
Oh, banishing Exo Mirror and decisive armor.
and
Alien?
Adding a Kaleido Mirror
Mas,
because it's cleaner here.
mas malinis dito.
as well as
Okay, now the Filipino guy has the Kaleido in his hand. Ending his turn, defense position the Tamer with the measly 100 attack. Oh,
The Ryo.
the Ryo. Oh, As you can see,
1-5.
Asian English.
Asian English,
Okay.
1-5. Just like the giant your name.
Okay.
Just like the giant.
Summoning Ryo, battling. Oh no, the Filipino guy is being attacked by a 1-9 attack monster. Oh, shit.
It's now suffering the damage.
Ooh.
Draw. Nothing to add.
Nothing to add because you can't.
Nothing to add? Cannot discard, no add. No effect, no chain, no nothing.
No, nothing. It's over.
Checking the graveyard. Your turn, it's over. You can now make...
And face is real and nothing's happening.
Ooh, activating Dimension Crack.
Okay.
The Black Buddha likes banishing things, huh?
Still attacking with just Ryo.
He doesn't want to OTK.
Ryo is really seen in much games lately. Tangina, fakta eh, no?
Draw.
Drawing.
Okay. Final.
Still no
Oh, final
adding.
turn.
Final turn.
Is declared by the
Declared.
Filipino guy.
Okay. Sawan to. Patay to. Okay. I'm done.
Ooh, is this a hand card?
No, that is a
That's a set card. OMG. He has 4 monsters. Oh no. Activating Exo Mirror.
Oh,
Ooh.
level 8.
Oh no, it's a Valkyrius. Oh my god.
It's good. Oy, vanish,
Oh,
vanish.
vanish. Not the Exo Mirror, not the Exo Mirror. There you go, there you go.
Filipino guy is confused. Oh,
Oh, Fire Lake again. Combination of the
oh,
spirit.
surrender. Oh,
He surrendered. Oh my god.
the Tamers win without the beast.
With the 1-1. Oh my god.
Round 3.
Start of game 3. First turn, Filipino guy Edsel Gozon, aka Junjun.
Oh, someone that has
Summon, 1000 Hand Senju. No response, no response. No bailer, no bailer.
orange light, orange light.
The Black Buddha is saying something. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Stopper? The fuck? Stopper with this.
What did you add? What did you add?
I added the one.
Okay, okay.
Oh, you added monster.
Oh, it's real. Trading is real. Draw 2. Discarding a level 8, level 8.
Just like
level.
activating my crucifix.
Oh shit.
Wasting spirit.
Oh my
You
god.
can see the tech. It's real.
It's a tech card.
Not ready.
Bawal panood nila, oh.
It's
The smashing ground.
Oh shit.
Pangit eh.
And start of the turn of Black Buddha.
Turn of the block.
Oh no.
Oh no. Face down. Oh, what the fuck? What
Vanishing, vanishing. Oh, E-Drax. E-Drax. It's an E-Drax. Spirit Beast. Oh my. Elemental Dragon, Spirit Beast, Tamer, Noble Beast, Spirit Beast, Tamer, Death.
What? Special summon from out to play?
To?
Yeah,
Really? Totoo yun? Totoo yun?
Dolphin tape.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
You only
There's...
Oh my god.
And what's an extra number?
Naman ka na.
Dimension.
The Mancanor can extra normal some shit.
Oh, oh.
Oh, attacking with an attacking 1-8. Lamyao. 400. Oh no, taking the 2-8 and taking a 4-3 of total damage. Oh, 43,000 daw, gagis.
It's over.
It's over. Oh no,
It's time.
main phase 2, contact fusion.
The cheat. The fire legs.
Oh my. Activating effect of the fusion Kanahawk. Returning 2 Tamers to the graveyard, adding a Spirit Beast card to its owner's hand. As you can see-
Oh, something I need to MSD.
Oh no, something I need to MST.
So,
Like, iba yung ikot iba yung ikot niya. Okay lang.
In English. Different circle.
Device.
Ibang ikot.
Setting one card. Ending his turn. Trophies by the Filipino man.
MST. Oh.
Oh my god. Cheney.
See that? Owned by the Philippine.
Oh my god. The Filipino guy adds Kaleido mirror into his hand. Oh my god.
The heavy star.
I drew heavy storm with the
It's
it's good.
Oh my god. Oh, activating Kaleido mirror with feelings.
Very strong.
Galit eh.
very strong.
Special ritual summon. Oh my god. It's the unicorn again.
Little
Like Rafi
Herald of Rainbow Light.
This is useless now.
Please.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh.
Is that legal?
Oh my god. Is that legal? The Filipino guy.
Is that legal? It's legal. It's legal. It's legal. Why? You have rap card. You don't. No shot.
So you die.
You can't complain you don't have set card.
Uses reason. It's effective. Super effective.
Very effective.
Ooh, summoning Manju of the Thousand
Why
Hands.
did you shoot it? And then let the opponent cut.
I'm thinking.
Adding Bryona. Discarding Bryona.
Save shit. Save. Using the profit.
It's down to 2 minutes of stalling for the Filipino guy. Activating Exo Mirror. 2 Tribute Shreed. Ilabas ang Gungnir. Tagalog eh. And adding for later the Necklace of Trishula.
What's this fucking defense? 1-6 only. It's so weak.
It's so weird.
It's so weak. It's real. It's real.
It's fucking weird. Boom. Huh?
So 1,
2-5. Ilan to? 2-4. Oh my god. 1-5.
Draw. Dark Hole.
Enter.
Your song. Your song.
Oh.
Oh my god.
The main. The main.
No chain, no chain. Okay.
Nado.
What that? Vanish. Return 1 thing so far.
Banish what? Banish what?
Ano yun? Ignition. Ignition. Wait lang. Bonds. Vanish 1 ano? Return 1.
Banish one card. Tapos, banish one spirit beast card. Tapos, return one card for field to hand.
May iba pa ba nag-effect dito? Wala na. Wala di ba nag-effect dito sa iyo?
Wala na.
Activate this.
Oh my god. Tamer beast.
The mark. Obviously.
Kill the beast. Kill the beast. Kill the
Oh my god. He is banishing some things.
Some beast.
Oh my god. I don't know what he's doing. Oh! He summoned the other 2-core beach again. Oh my god. Can't help but it's good. He attacked. Ending his turn with a face-up Mangano. With only 200. Ooh, attacking the E-Drops.
1, 2. 1, 2 plus 1, 3.
1-3.
Draw. Dark Hole.
The right.
Filipino guys, 3-6 life points. 5,200 for the big black Brian Buda.
Apat na beast.
Quadruple bin. Oh, he used the E-Drugs again. The E-Drugs card is very real.
You can see the egg.
Hydra Tech for the Spirit Beast. If you want to buy the Spirit Beast Tamer,
Oh.
please call.
From the previous.
Oh no.
Meow, meow.
Yeah. No chain?
No.
No chain.
No problem.
No problem. Alright.
No chain. Oh.
Oh, the effect. He banished a Spirit Beast card.
500.
Just 500
Even
lot.
this guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spirit Beast cards lang.
No problem.
Oh, contact fusion.
What? I don't know. Oh,
Oh.
yeah. 3-1.
Oh, it's a 3-1.
The meow.
Because of the meow meow, it has a bigger meow meow. There. That's a 3-1. Stacking. Rulers with 1K. Oh my god, it's down to 2-6. Oh, you took the Gungnir with 3-1. He takes 600.
Epic. Detach.
Oh no, the effect of the Speed Beast.
Meow, meow. It's
Ubad.
meow, meow. It's real.
Oh, the Tamer.
Meow, meow. It's real.
Oh, and the Dolphin. Oh no, contact fusion again.
Then another attack.
If you're wondering why he's separating the special summon, Tamers, and Spirit Beast,
Anti-fire lake.
because their effects, all of their effects have one same effect. Oh my god. Oh shit. There it is. It's really
Tree.
the decree. Wala ba?
Faster, guys. Nobody.
Nobody. Oh no, the game is done. 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Adding another, banishing the unicorn and the idol hero. As you can see, the Filipino guy has a decree on the field, which means the firework of the